In a dramatic twist in the ongoing trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a group known as the Ambassador for Self-Determination, alongside the Rising Sun Foundation and American veterans of Igbo descent, has strongly refuted a serious allegation made by Justice James Omotosho. The judge claimed that Kanu planned to bomb the British and United States mission in Nigeria, an assertion the group insists is completely fabricated. Our correspondent has the details. The accusation by Justice Omotosho that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu masterminded a bombing plot against the US and UK embassies has been categorically denied by the representatives close to Kanu. They described the claim as a manufactured lie with no grounding in fact. According to the group, no witness ever mentioned such plot during the trial. No formal charges related to it were presented, and the issue was never raised in court. They stressed that the allegation appeared solely in the judge's written judgment without any supporting documents, witnesses, or exhibits. Critically, the defense team was never given the chance to address or contest the supposed bombing plots. The group intended to release certified court transcripts to prove the allegations' absence from the trial record. They are calling on Nigerian and international media, diplomats and human rights bodies to examine this transcript and witness what they describe as a deliberate attempt to criminalize a political opponent without evidence. Moreover, they point to Kanu's publicly known pro-US and pro-UK stance, recalling his participation in the 2017 Trump Solidarity Rally in Port Harcourt and attendance at the 2020 Trump campaign event in Iowa actions that contradicts any intent to attack either country's missions. The group asserted that Justice Omotosho's introductions of this bomb plot disregards the fundamental principle of justice under Nigeria's constitution and damages the judiciary credibility. They called for the entire judgment to be nullified, appealed to be pursued, and the National Judicial Council to investigate the matter. They concluded with a firm commitment to exposing this allegation falsehood fully to both domestic and international audience.